Once upon a time, in a world full of gadgets and gizmos, lived three little pigs, Percy, Piper, and Pascal. It was time for them to build their own houses. Percy, who loved to play video games, quickly built his house out of straw so he could get back to his game. Piper, who loved to nap, built her house out of sticks so she could get back to her cozy bed. But Pascal, the smartest pig, had a brilliant idea. He decided to build a high-tech drone house. He used strong metal, shiny solar panels, and a super smart computer. His house could fly, float, and even do a little dance. Soon, the big bad wolf came along. He huffed and puffed and blew Percy's straw house down. Percy ran to Piper's house. The wolf huffed and puffed and blew Piper's stick house down. The two scared pigs ran to Pascal's drone house. The wolf tried to huff and puff, but the drone house just hovered higher. He tried to climb it, but the house just zipped away. Finally, the wolf gave up and went home, tired and hungry. Percy and Piper were amazed. They learned that taking your time and using your brain is the best way to solve any problem. And they all lived happily and safely ever after in the amazing flying drone house.